I've been washing cast iron for 50 years. Every single time I use it, every single week, I get the same exact comments. Bob, you are stripping that soul right out of that pan. Well, just hold on. Today, I'm going to show you my 2-minute routine and prove that that fear is costing you a clean cast iron skillet. And here's where the fear comes from. 40 years ago or so, soap had lye in it. That stuff would take that seasoning right off your cast iron. But that's all hogwash today. This modern dish soap, it's not even touching your polymerized seasoning. You all just need to stop treating this thing like it's some kind of museum piece. It's one of the best tools for the kitchen. While this thing's still warm, just wipe that loose grease out of there, especially if you did some bacon in it. So you just want to wipe all this heavy grease out so you don't mess up your plumbing. You definitely want to get that greasy stuff out of there before any water even touches it. And right now, soap. Just use some dish soap. Hit it with a little hot water. And get to scrubbing. That's all there is to it. You want this baby to get nice and sudsy. Let's all that out. You ought to all get some of these cool brushes. I have a link in the description below. See those suds? That is just lifting food residue, not your seasoning. Now if you need a little chainmail or a stiff brush for these stuck on bits, that's why I just use a brush. I made a little mess here, I always do, but that's the job of the cast iron. And each and every time, always give that backside a good scrub. You just want to take some hot water and rinse it off really well. I'm going to ruffle a couple feathers, I'm going to warn you right now, because I don't usually put mine on the stove to dry it out. I know, crazy. And I just dry it off with this shop towel. Nice and clean, I might add. Now, if you want to take this and stick it over there on the stove and heat her up a little bit, that's fine. I just find I don't need to take that extra step, so that's it. I'm already done. So here's where I'm going to lose some of you. I don't even oil mine after I clean it. Not a single drop. And here's why. So what if you coat it in oil and stick it on my rack? Two things happen. Dust settles right into that oil. And over time, it gets all cruddy. Sometimes it gets sticky and gummy. I oil when I start cooking. Same method, just I do it when I start cooking. So look at this shelf. These pans have been washed bare and stored dry for many days. And every one of them is black, slick, and ready for the next cook. That's the proof. Ain't the oil sitting there protecting her. It's the seasoning that's baked in. And that just comes from some heat. And just look at her. Clean, dry, and ready for the next cook. I had one fella tell me last week his wife will finally eat his cooking. So now that it's not all greasy and crusty, and that's the payoff. Every single piece of my cast iron is still going strong. And all that fear, it's simply just not real. It'll be okay, I promise you that. And if you want to know how I keep that seasoning going, watch my last video where I show you just bake in it. Grab yourself a little soap and maybe a stiff brush, give it a go, and let me know how it goes in your kitchen. And with that, get out that cast iron and just keep cooking.